Hello guys, welcome to today's broadcast from MyGrowth OnPoint Trading and Coaching. Bitcoin is looking great. I actually feel very positive today about the market. This falling wedge is giving us some promising vibes, and if you look at the stochastic RSI, there's a lot of strength in the market. Is really pointing up to the upside very strongly. MACD seems to be turning, and we are managing to actually stay above this support line, and if the bulls manage to pull this through, then we're gonna see that target that we mentioned last week of about 33,800 USDT, which will be great. It will after a long period of consolidation, it's gonna give us some relief in the market and really some excellent trading opportunities. You can see here from the 24th of July, the market has really been going very sideways. We have only seen spinning tops and dojis and so on. We saw a little bit of movement there, but the one basically cancelled out the other. It was really only a hunt for stop losses that happened here. That was a play by the institutions to take the stop losses on the shorts, and in the next go take the stop losses on the long. So that was gruesome. Like I say, if we succeed, we are retesting at the moment here on the daily chart. If we succeed, then price action will move up. The technical target, like we said, is at 33.8. If it rejects and we don't manage to, or the retest fails, then we're gonna at least retest this bottom support line over here, which will give us a target of about 28,000 USDT. But like I say, stochastic RSI is looking good, MACD is looking good, volume is declining, but that's 10-to-1 in anticipation of the CPI figures that will be announced this afternoon. You will see here on 10 August we have these important announcements coming up, CPI and unemployment claims, and they are all 2:30 South African time, so expect a lot of volatility around that time, and I'll advise that you don't really put in a trade before those announcements has been completed, maybe after 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock South African time. The market will be more conducive for trading. Right now, work out your setups, see what the TA says. At this point, the TA shows positive movement coming up. So they really have to give us bad news to reverse that. But like I say, I'm optimistic. So let's be positive today. If you look at Ethereum, also we're anticipating a move there to the upside. You can see there's already a strong candle. Also the stochastic RSI and MACD in our favor. If you are looking at altcoins to trade and maybe setups for after the announcement, what I've seen is Rune giving us a real good opportunity. You will see there, this is now the daily chart, so it will take some time, but there's a nice imbalance over here right there, that it will try or attempt to fill that area in a matter of the next few weeks, and that could give you almost 48% profit if you trade that. If you look on the 4-hour, it is a huge cup and handle that has formed here, and the handle has retested and it's moving up strongly. So maybe a slight retracement, and then we will see Rune moving further to the upside. Another one is DYDX. We've got an inverted head and shoulder here. On the daily, you will see it has been, the price has been moving in this ascending triangle for quite some time. We actually expected it to reach the apex sooner, but I have moved this trend line a bit, and but still it's now above resistance. This resistance is now support, and if it manages to stay above, then the technical target is about 2.953. Also a good profit hidden in that trade, 35% over the next week or two. Let's just get back to the 4-hour. Yeah, like I said, there's your inverted head and shoulder, and your technical target will be the depth of this to the upside. But on the short term, long term, there's a lot more profit in that. And then render is also looking great. It will come down and has to form a higher high, and then the uptrend is confirmed. But even on the 4-hour, you have got an imbalance over here. Right there, if I can just grab hold of the tool properly. So you've got that entire space for an upside move, which can give you a 20% in the next 4 to 6 days for render. Stochastic RSI shows it might come down for retest, but MACD is on its way up above the histogram. And if you look at the daily, you will clearly see the channel in which render is trading. From the top of that one to more or less where it hit the bottom right there, over here. So it's now at the bottom of the channel. You've got all that way to the upside over the next few weeks to play with and manage your stop loss and trade it to the upside. Yeah, that's all from me for today. We are of course having our live Zoom meeting at 2 o'clock. I hope I see you there. And if you have some ideas or coins you want us to have a look at and do some analysis, please bring it to the table, and let's see when we're on the call at 2:30 what's the influence of the CPI announcements on the market. Hope to see you there. Cheers.